Hey guys, it's Matt here with Solas Propellers, and today I'm going to be showing you how to find your part number on an OEM propeller. First, we have a BRP prop. Their part number is located on the inside hub, and sometimes it's located on the outer barrel. Next propeller will be the Mercury propeller. Their part number can be found on the outer barrel, and the dimensions will be located on the inner hub. And moving on to the next propeller, the next prop that we have up is the Yamaha propeller. Now on the outer barrel, you could find the diameter, pitch, and a letter that signifies the gear case size. And using the diameter, pitch, and gear case letter, you can find the Yamaha part number online. And keep in mind that all of these OEM part numbers can be input into our Solas prop finder to give the Solas equivalent. And moving on to the next propellers, we actually have your Suzuki and your Honda. Now on both of these propellers, you'll find the diameter and pitch on the outer barrels. And by using the diameter and pitch, you can find the matching Solas equivalent. And next, I'll be going over some of the aftermarket propellers. And starting off with the aftermarket propellers, the first one we have up is Turning Point. Their part number could be found on the outer blade. And the next propeller that we have up is PowerTech. PowerTech lists their full part number on the outer barrel where the logo is imprinted at. And moving on to the next propeller, which is our Solas propeller, we list the 9-digit part number on the outer barrel, and the middle 3 signifies the diameter and the last 2 signifies the pitch. And the last propeller we have is Michigan Wheel. Their part number will be located on the inner hub of the propeller. I want to thank you guys for watching, and please be sure to visit rubexprops.com where you can use our Solas prop finder to find the best prop for you.